Hey guys, wait. Before we get into this video, I want you to go over to Joda the Island Girl YouTube channel. Go over there, go subscribe to our channel. Go over there, go show her some love. I'm gonna put the link to her channel in my description box, and I'm also gonna pin it in my comment section. Click on the link, go over there and tell her see Andrea send you. Let's get into this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. But today my day with another prank phone. So no mommy not talk to me because of the piercing. So what me I can do today, I prank Jason. So I'm gonna make it look like mommy call me. No, I'm gonna make it look like me I call mommy and me I argue with her. Obviously, me not gonna call mommy. I'm gonna pretend like me I talk to mommy. So basically, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna just start cuss and I say, me not care if you don't like it, me not care if you don't like it. Jesus like it and Jesus said me not fi take it out. Jesus said me not fi trouble because once him like it, then it don't matter. I'm gonna just tell them stuff there, guys. Me, you know, Jesus not gonna have it. It's funny already. So basically what I'm gonna do is just argue with mommy to get Jason's reaction. It's a kind of strange for Jason because Jason knows that me and my mommy live good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just dwell on the piercing since he knows that mommy already not talk to me because of the piercing. So if you hear me I repeat about the piercing over and over, then I don't know why. Because if me not do that, Jason gonna know that me up to something. Because Jason knows that me and my mother, like normally when we talk on the phone, we just a giggle. Like me and my mother always a giggle, always a talk about some stuff. So make a dwell on the piercing. Let's get into this video. Watch ya! Jason!
Yeah.
Guess who call me? Guess who call me?
Ooh.
Babe, mommy a call. Hold on. Hello? Mommy? That you really call me for, mommy? Look how long this happened when you still a talk about it. Yeah, me love it and Jason love it, so. So Jason said like it and Jason said, so? Jason?
Yeah.
Come here, this mommy I say. Yeah, come here, this mommy. Yes, so? Yeah. This mommy I say. So? Mommy, you make a big deal out of this thing and that you come to annoy me? And Jesus say I like it and that's all that matters. Jason like it. Once Jason like it, me I gonna love it and me now gonna take it out. Plus Jason said me for hang up off of the phone with her right now.
Wait, what? Who you talk to? No, who you talk to? Pass the phone.
Yeah.
Pass the phone.
Yeah. So
So babe, why you talking to the drinker?
mommy, but if Jason like it then what? My man like it.
Why you talk to the lady so babe, stop your foolishness now? Babe, give me a phone. Mr. Zain, I know me and Nara put up with this foolishness there.
Mommy, don't listen to Jason in that background. Me I talk to you. My man like it.
Babe, so why you say that, why you be like that towards your mother? That me I ask you.
So Jason said me if you come off of the phone with you because this don't make no sense.
Babe, stop saying something there, babe. No, don't tell me fish, don't tell me fish. Yo, come on, that phone.
Yeah, go.
Why you talk to Mr. Zain so?
So mommy, me like
Why you
it.
talk to Mr. Zain so that me I ask you?
Like it.
Mommy, just call me on my phone. Call me on my phone.
Me don't care if you don't want to like it. Me don't care if you don't want to like it. Me's a big old man.
No.
And I...
Yeah, me tell you to stop talking to the lady, so give me the phone. Why you talk to the lady, so?
Me hang up.
Why you talk to the lady, so? What happened to you? You have sense?
Me hang up.
You have sense?
Me hang up.
Why you talk to Mr. Zain, so what? Why you talk to Mr. Zain, so what?
Baby must know that she get ramped up on my nerves.
Don't tell me that.
Baby, no.
What that mean?
You know me.
What that mean?
You know.
What that mean?
You know, me not normally talk to mommy, so you must know say after me.
So why you talk? What me like?
Yeah,
Don't
but
tell me say I know something, you can tell me say I have to talk to Mr. Zin so far.
she called me and annoy me about
What she annoy you? If you don't want to talk about you, you don't want to talk about you, you put on your phone, you have to tell me so you have to talk to the lady so far. And I talk about see me man like it, bro. What kind of attitude with them there? Why you talk to the lady so? Boy, my man like it so. Bro, never say you talk to your mother, bro.
baby, you must know something upset for you hear me talk to you.
You-
But hear me talk to
You
mommy,
don't talk to your mother, so it no matter about where you upset or not. If you don't want to talk about you, you can be more civilized than that. And Mr. Zin annoy you.
She annoy me about
How?
you know.
How? What she call and say? What she call and say? Tell me. Make a reason what she call and say.
She didn't ignore me, so she just called out her blue no.
And I say what?
That.
And I say what?
She has said me not take it out.
So what? What that you rubbing on the lady face make the lady feel like say I'm me and you up to something?
Yeah, but me and you.
Up to what?
Now you say all of them things here where you be a hypocrite.
What me ask me say all of what?
Yes, sir. If you like it, that's all that matters.
Bro, no bother with the foolishness. No bother with the foolishness. Me
Right,
say
I'm sorry.
if you like
Sorry.
it, me always tell you say it's not about me and it's not about nobody thing, it's about what you like. Not tell me boy you're sorry, you need to call Miss Daisy and apologize.
Alright, we do it.
Do it.
So you go in on my face?
Of course.
Excuse me. Before me get on top of your nerve.
Okay, you no bother with you. Me a different breed. No bother with you. Me not unite with you. So don't talk to the lady so you want to nose ring.
I call her back. She not even want to pick. Hello? Where is there? Jesus said me to apologize to you and that
I know Jesus say you can't apologize, baby, but that me say.
I'm on the phone.
Don't tell me that.
I'm on the phone. Before me stop on YouTube.
Bro, I wish you would.
The only reason why me apologize now, because Jesus said me to apologize.
Oh, you know what?
That's the only reason.
No, give me that phone. Give me that phone. Give me that phone. Give me that phone. Give me that
Come
phone.
on for me.
Alright. Bro. You go call Miss Lezine, you go call Miss Lezine and you go apologize, babe. And then I go tell her, say, both say me say. Come on, know where you
Okay, because you said. Now you said. What you cry for?
Who a cry?
So why your head full of water?
Bro, every day you tell me the same foolishness, bro. You see somebody a cry? Yo, you need to apologize to the lady. No, too.
Me just do it a while ago.
I know what. You get back that phone now when you have more manners.
Jesus, come give me my phone.
Why you talk to Miss Lezine? So I just ask you, babe.
Be afraid, hear me, I do it, you must know, say I vex me, vex. You ever hear me do this?
So people, what you tell about say man like you, what kind of style
I never
that you
mean to
portray?
check it out
No,
like
no,
that.
what kind of style that you portray? Like somebody else start back you with the madness. No do them something, babe. That make it sound like somebody else are trying to disrespect your mother. If you like it, I like it, and I just this right there. You know, baby, you know too. Boy, your mother annoy you. What mother annoy you? If you don't want to talk on my phone, I don't answer it.
Cause she not call me all long now and just call me to the like.
She's glad say she called. You think I'm glad say?
Well,
Then all is never did well.
she vexed with me.
So what? Your mother, so what? You know, see your mother only had this man come to that because your mother don't give malice.
Why she malice me then?
You know you do your petty and you need to apologize to your mother. I mean, should
Give
you
me-
know why I'm not forgetting my legal right to do now? Because they see it only.
We're back here and Ben.
Yeah. Just make sure by the end of the day, apologize to Mr. Smith.
I'll do it right now. Mommy. Sorry.
Yo, no, come on, here.
Sorry. You don't hear me? Sorry. Jesus said me if say sorry, so sorry. Yeah. Yeah.
Babe.
Yeah,
Mr.
yeah.
Zane, mommy. Put that on speaker, me.
Come people if you want.
Put that on speaker, me.
Come people.
Mommy.
Hey, talk to her.
Mommy, I never mean her.
Talk to her. It's a prank, your book, yo. Yeah, me could have bright. Me! Then me could have bright. I can't move it up. Guys, I'm hoping you enjoyed the prank here. Now let me did have fun and do it. First of all, I'm not going to talk to my mother, so. And I got to talk about my man like it. Not even when me I talk to my friends, them, me not talk like that. Like, so baby, so yesterday when I left me off there, mommy don't remember so me pierce my nose, you know. So she did talk to me good, but me want to prank you first before me tell her so she talk to me. So yeah, mommy come up. My mother now go vex with me for long. Guys, I hope you enjoyed a little prank there. And remember to like up the videos and check out some other videos, guys. Yeah, interest on the post notification bell turn on so you can be notified every time I post. Bye, guys.